Happy Father's Day!
In this video, we'll teach you how to use your essential oils to make a great Father's Day gift. Our Timber Beard Oil recipe.
It's DIY, and I know you guys are gonna love it.
To get everything you need for this recipe, check out the Simply Earth Essential Oil recipe box. That's what we're going to be using to make this recipe. We're gonna find our stickers and recipe card. This recipe only uses 2 ingredients, our body oil base. This is a mix of carrier oil, specially formulated for really good skincare. It's also going to make a great beard or hair oil.
And the other ingredient is our Timber Essential Oil blend. Your dad is gonna love the scent of this.
If you're a subscriber and you've already made the Beach Feet Sugar Scrub, you can finish the recipe in this body oil based container if you'd like. So we're going to add a tablespoon of this beard oil.
Now you're gonna wanna add 3 drops of the Timber Essential Oil. Okay.
Next, we just need to make sure the essential oil is well diluted by stirring it, or we could put the lid on and shake it.
And don't forget your label.
To use it, your father or whoever you're making this for would put a little bit on their fingers and put it into their beard to make it look real nice. You can also use this on the ends of your hair. This would also make a good dry oil wash, so you would put this on your face and then rinse it away, and it'll help take things out of your pores while still be really soothing.
For your arm.
Sure, you can use it to moisturize your arm. A massage therapist could use this in a massage. There's so many ways to use this oil. To gain more confidence and clarity, check out the Simply Earth recipe box.
And don't forget to hit that subscribe now button. We make all kinds of fun recipes just like this and so many more.
Thanks for watching.
See you later.